Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel lost when it comes to weight loss? Like you know the food you should eat or the exercise that actually going to work for you, but you don't know how to put all this together into a daily routine, right? So in this video, I'm going to do that for you. I'll walk you through the complete fat loss day step by step. From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed, you are going to know exactly what to do, what to eat, and how much to eat. And the one of the best part of this video is that this isn't a crash diet routine. It is flexible, realistic, and long term, going to help you lose fat faster. So, if you follow this, you are not just going to lose weight, but also going to feel healthier, more energized, and more in control. So, let's get into it. Let's start with the morning. The first thing after waking up is keep yourself hydrated. Before grabbing your phone or thinking about food, just go and get a big glass of water and have it. As आपकी बॉडी फास्टिंग फेज में होती है पूरी रात, तो डिहाइड्रेशन की वजह से आपको मॉर्निंग में फील हो सकती है हंगर, बट वो एक्चुअल में हंगर नहीं होती. So one big glass of water in the morning can prevent you from unnecessary snacking later in the day. Then after that, if you like coffee or tea, just go for it. Just keep your sugar and milk under control. Here is the tip. Black coffee or tea with minimum sugar or minimum milk is going to help you in losing fat because it boosts your metabolism and keep your appetite in check. So if you like coffee, tea, just go for it. But just keep in mind sugar and milk intake. Now it's time for breakfast. There is a question कि हम breakfast करें या नहीं करें if we are on weight loss journey. So the answer is both can work. If you wake up in the morning and naturally don't feel hungry, then you can skip your breakfast and still can lose weight. But if you're the one who wakes up hungry and eating breakfast can help you actually control your cravings later in the day, then have your breakfast. Here is the key part. How you should eat your breakfast. 3 things you need to keep in mind. Number 1 is protein. Number 2 is high fiber carbs. And number 3, please include healthy fats in your breakfast. Here are some suggestions like 2 boiled eggs with pumpkin sabzi, with whole grain roti or bhakri, or a bowl of oats with milk, fruits of your choice, and add some nuts for healthy fats. This is actually a fuel for your body and not just empty calories. Now let's talk about lunch between 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Please stick to plate method if you really want to know the portion of protein, fats, and fiber in your lunch. Please fill your half plates with veggies. Please fill 1/4 with protein, another quarter with carbs, and add some healthy fats to complete the plate. This is how you get a balanced meal without obsessively counting your calories. Please remember one thing. At the end of the day, weight loss comes from calorie deficit. That means eating fewer calories less than the calories you actually burn. But the real challenge isn't just starting. The real challenge is staying consistent day after day. Tracking can feel overwhelming sometimes and time consuming also. But here is the tip part. Just track all of your food for at least 3 days. You can use ChatGPT. You can use apps like HealthyFyMe, MyFitnessPal to track your meals, to get the idea of the calories you are intaking. Just do it for 3 days, and after day 3, you are going to see that you are able to guess the calories you are eating. Now let's talk about the favorite part of ours, snacking. Rule is simple here. Eat your snack only if you feel hungry, not because it's just 4 p.m. and you are bored. Make your snack protein rich and fiber filled. Some examples like you can take protein shake, you can have boiled eggs with some veggies, you can have apple with nut butter, any nut butter like almond butter or peanut butter. You can have air pop popcorns, you can have boiled sweet potatoes with boiled eggs. Please remember one thing. Snacks are not your enemy, but mindless snacking is definitely your enemy. We all know that nutrition drives weight loss, but exercise shapes your body and speed up the things. So now you're going to ask which time is best for your exercise. Honestly speaking, best time for workout is the time that actually sticks to you. You can exercise in the morning, afternoon, evening, it doesn't matter. What matters, the time which is convenient to you. Please consider consistency in your exercise routine because consistency always beats intensity. If we talk about rough figures, please include 30 to 45 minutes of movement every day in your exercise routine. Please have strength training session at least for 3 to 4 times in a week. You can have body weight strength training or external weight strength training. You can include cardios on other days when you are not strength training. You can include walk, jogging, dancing, cycling, or any of the activities you like. Now the most important part, dinner. Dinner is the thing that can make or break your progress if your weight loss journey. Because here usually people slips. Please avoid late night eatings, heavy meals, and of course the Netflix and chill snacking. Rule is simple. Eat your dinner early as possible if you can, ideally between 6 to 8 p.m. at night. Balance your dinner, but please keep it lighter than your lunch. For example, you can have street fried chicken with roasted veggies with roti or rice as you like. You can have boiled eggs with sorted vegetables. Please try to avoid heavy loaded carbs meal at night because your body doesn't need that much energy before sleep. And late night snacking, especially sugary and processed food, please avoid the same because this can lead to you eating extra calories without even realizing it. Please remember, weight loss isn't about food and workout. Sleep is highly important. So now let's talk about sleep. If you don't sleep for at least 6 to 7 hours a day, your hunger hormone will go crazy. You wake up hungry, you crave more for sugar and processed food, and your body will hold on to fat, especially around your belly. So when you become stressed or when your body get into stressing mood, your body produces cortisol. Cortisol is the hormone that makes you store belly fat and crave more junk food. So sleep is so important. If you want to know the best ways to sleep, please check out this video. And finally, don't forget, consistency beats perfection. So don't stress out, don't put yourself into stress if you had a piece of cake at birthday party of your friend or you have skipped any of your exercise for a day. It doesn't matter if you're doing it once in a while. Just try not to do it so often. Now let's put all together. Wake up, drink a huge glass of water, then have your balanced breakfast consisting of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and complex carbs. Have your lunch around 12 to 2 p.m. by following your plate method. Have snacks in smart way. Protein rich and fiber filled snack is your way to go. Get at least 30 to 45 minutes movement daily. Have early light dinner, lighter than your lunch. Do not underestimate 6 to 7 hours of sleep. Hope this video is going to be helpful to you guys in your fat loss journey, weight loss journey. All the best to you. And please subscribe, like, comment, and share.